Hi guys, welcome back for our proportion and percents workout number 2. Let's check out what today's problem is asking. It says the price for bulk pretzels is $3 for 4 pounds. Use the following ratio tables to find out how much different amounts of pretzels cost. And we're going to find out how much 10 pounds and how much 1 pound costs. So let's start. Notice pounds. So this is what I want to get to 4 and 1. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it in half. And 2 pounds is going to be half of $3. So $1.50 or 1.5, however you want to think about that. So that's half there. Let's see, if I doubled here, I get 6 and 8. And now I can add these to get to my 10, because once I get to my 10, then I'm just going to divide by 10 to get to my 1. So I'm going to grab a different color. So if I add 2 plus 8, then I'm going to add 1.5 and 6. Okay, so this gives me 10. And 1.5 plus 6 is $7.50. 7.5. Okay. Now that I have this, now I'm going to divide by 10 to get to my 1. And when I divide by 10, I just move this decimal. So 1 pound costs 75 cents. Just like so. So 10 pounds, $7.50. 1 pound is 75 cents. And that's just using my understanding of place value and what happens when we multiply by 10 or divide by 10. Okay, so remember, we're always trying to work smarter. Okay, now if I know what 10 pounds is and I know what 1 pound is, then I should probably be able to work pretty quickly towards my 9 pounds. Okay, but let's go ahead and pretend like we don't have all that information. And so if I didn't, I would probably double to get to 8 and 6. But we know that we have our 1 and 0.75 here. I'm going to add them together. So I'm going to do 6 plus 75 and 8 plus 1 equals. So when we add and subtract, we use the numbers within the cells. When we are multiplying and dividing, we just use the same number for both of them. So $6.75 is my cost for 9 pounds of pretzels. Okay, so using the information, once we get to that unit rate, it's super helpful. And we can get to the unit rate of 1 from 10 very easily. And a lot of times easier to find it at 10 than it is at 1. All right, question 3. How many pounds of pretzels can you buy for $1? Okay, so now I just want my dollar here. And guys, I just divided by 3. And so if I divide 3 by 3, I get 1. And then I divided 4 by 3. So I can get 4/3 of a pound. So really you could just write it as a fraction, or you could write it as 1 1/3 pounds, okay? But because it's not money, I don't have to have it in a decimal form. And that's a repeating decimal anyway. So make sure you pay attention to which numbers you're looking at. If we're looking at pounds, then fractions don't bother us. If we're looking for price, then we need to have it written in 2 decimals. So make sure you know which 2 values you're comparing, because that will help you solve and know how to write your number. And then our last one, it says that Abigail has $39, Craig has $42. Use the following ratio table to determine how many pounds of pretzels each person can buy. So I need to have a $39 and a $42. So I went to 9. I just multiplied both by 3. 3 times 3 gives me 9, and 3 times 4 gives me 12. So that gives me my 9. So now I just need 30, and I can get from 30 really easily by multiplying 3 times 10 gives me 30. And then 4 times 10 gives me 40. Now all I had to do was add 30 plus 9 and 12 plus 40. So for $39, I can buy 52 pounds of pretzels. That's a lot of pretzels. Okay. So now I'm at 52. I just need to, I want to go down. So 52 pounds of pretzels at $39. I want to go to $42. So I'm looking for a target of 42 here. And so I know that one is 4/3. And so that means two, right? $2 would be 8/3. And so this ends up giving us 2 2/3. And so when we add our finals, so 39, oh, it's not 2, it's 3. Guys, you gotta stop me when I make mistakes. It's 3. We need 3 of these, okay? And that means that's 3 of these would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 over 3. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So for $3, you get 4 pounds. We already figured that out. That was the ratio they gave us. 39 plus 3 equals 42. And then 52 plus 4 equals 56 pounds. So you can get 56 pounds of pretzels for $42, and then you can buy $39 will buy you 52 pounds. Okay, so make sure you fill in your answers on your answer places and complete all your work. Remember, not every table, every column in the table needs to be used. Like for this one, we only needed 2, but please make sure you filled in your blanks completely.